Okay, I thought I would give you a quick behind the scenes look of what the studio looks like and how I set up my show and how it all runs. So over here, we have the green room. Right now, I'm in the blue room because that's all I got. If I had a guest here, they would pop in over here when they come in. I would talk to them, say hello, kind of meet and greet and all that kind of thing, let them know the flow of the show. And then I come in and I start the show and start recording, and I go right to the first scene here. These are all set up as scenes, by the way, if you can see me pointing. Scenes. So I come in, I'm like, hey, it's Scott Brandon Hoffman, aka Brandon AF, and this is the Mostly Conscious Late Night Show. And then I just do a quick little cold open, a little blurred, cold open, a quick little blurb about them and just get people excited. And then I go, okay, and we'll be back right after this. And then I show them a video of the intro of the show with the guest on it. And right now I'm the guest because I'm about to be interviewed and I haven't changed the thing out yet. So here we go. I'll be back in a sec. Almost live from the internet, it's the Conscious Late Night Show with your host, Brandon AF, with tonight's special guest, me! Brandon AF. Yeah, that's me. So then I come back and here's where I do the real intro. And I give them a little more details, give them like specifics about their awards or who they are, what they've done, all that kind of thing. And then when I'm done with that, I bring them right in to the two shot. This is the two shot. There's where the guest would be. I'm pointing over there. And we'd start talking. We introduce. Their name tag would also be like this. I have a name tag for them on the guest as well. And then the cool part is I have what I can do a solo shot for the guest. I can do a solo shot for me, and I can do a two shot with us together. So we bounce back and forth throughout the conversation, and this is pretty much what I'm doing. And sometimes if they have a book or they have something or a video to show, then I'll pop into here. Like I said, right now, that's all my stuff because I'm being interviewed, and I just wanted to have a little montage up in there. So that's what we do there. And then when we're done with the show, we start doing, I call them into what's called a wrap up room. I bring them into this room and I say, yo, let's wrap up. And we start, I start, kind of asking them some questions. I acknowledge them, I thank them. And then I say, okay, I'm going to do a quick little outro and I'll meet you back in the green room or the green juice room, as I call it sometimes. And then I drop into this space. And I just come back and I'll share a little bit about the show, about the guests. I just tell them to go get the book or go do the thing and thank them and give them some beautiful an ending that just lets them know that they're loved and seen and all that kind of goodness. And then at the very end, I just drop into this and say, hey, okay, please subscribe, do all the things, like, comment, share, because we can bring you more of these epic guests. So I hope you enjoyed today and we'll see you soon. So that's what's up. And that's a sneak peek behind the show. And what else I got? Basically, this is just the sound levels of the microphone, the sound effects, the interview guest's sound level. We got some sound effects. This is where the camera switcher is, where people can come on, all the different guests. We can have all kinds of different guests on here. And then a little bit of the tech version production side of it over here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. And I will speak with you soon. Peace.